Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just a couple hours ago, I showed you how to make this, but I kind of left off one part, so this is part two. If we will take a polygon and make your shape 55, 50, 45 polygon, and hit P, put it in the center of the page, and grab your shape tool and just grab any one of those nodes. And if you can see, I can twist it, but if I hold down the control button, it'll go in there perfectly. Now take your distort tool and grab the zipper, and this is what I left off, and then just go from the inside out. But what you can do, the zipper has let's zoom in here a little bit. The zipper has a smooth node, and look at that. Now we can make it something other than a hairline. Let's go ahead and convert it to a curve, and then get the hairline, and let's make it 4 points. And if that's not thick enough and 8's too thick, don't always forget, see there's no 6. You can type in whatever and make it 6. And then we could go to object, convert the outline to an object. We can left click, right click. And then if it's really pieces already, so if you turn this into a hairline red, and make sure it's a hairline, that would cut out on your laser. And each one of these pieces would fall out, but the entire project would look like that. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.